Welcome to How to Music Tech. This is part 24 in this series. Things to know about the looper. The tempo that is set in the looper is also used by any effect or rhythm patterns. If you change the tempo but have set the loop recording time, this will delete the current recorded loop. If you change the tempo during rhythm playback, this will also delete the current recorded loop. If you're using the rhythm function with the looper and have set a pre-count, recording will start after the pre-count. If you have any sound input through the auxiliary in, it will not be recorded on the looper. You can use the other play modes once you have recorded a loop. Just cycle through with the foot switch. The looper playback status will be shown in the top left of the screen if you're in another mode. But note, you must return to the looper screen to control the looper. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I really hope you found it helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials on this unit and others to come. Plus, if you'd like to support the channel directly, why not consider becoming a member? Thanks again, goodbye, see you in the next one.